I'll be back. Be back, Bear. Next up is probably going to be so thanks for joining me on this Sunday ride. I'm gonna go to like a national forest I never knew was near my house. I was just looking at Google Maps and I saw there was a national forest, so I figured might as well go check it out. And if it's something that I see that the trails are not too intense, then I'll bring my dogs on a walk there. Yeah, I'm pretty excited about this Memphis shade pairing I'm gonna be getting. That's really gonna not only improve the ride quality for the trip that I plan on doing, but it might make this audio sound better. Although I don't know, oh shit, I see other YouTubers, they can moto vlog without a windshield, no problem. So I don't know what the deal is. Yeah, I haven't been to the office in over 2 years. I gotta go in 3 times this week. I just want to make sure we're still alive, I guess. This is the worst part of being on a Harley. Sitting at a light. It's not so bad anymore with these Milwaukee 8, because the heads are like oil cooled or whatever. Like my last bike, the twin cam. Oh my god, that thing. If I was sitting at a light too long, my leg would just roast. I think I might stop and get gas just so I don't have to deal with it during the week. So I plan on riding my bike during the week. This should be the national park. Yep, it even says state natural area. Cool. So like I said, I've never been here before. I'm gonna check it out to make sure it's okay for my dogs. So I'll probably walk down a trail. Maybe I'll maybe I'll bring the camera with me just so you guys can see. Probably not going to go very far. I just want to make sure, because like the trails by my house are optimum for my little dogs. If these are like insane canyons, I don't want to do that, but it doesn't look like there's going to be canyons out here, so we shall see. Okay, I think this is it. It's like a big foresty area. Cut ahead when I'm walking down a trail. Yeah, see, if it was a trail like that road back there that you saw, I don't know if I got it on the video, but yeah, I would not want to take my dogs down that. That's no fun. Entrance fee required? Oh, hell no. I'm not bringing my dogs here. Well, may as well do a little loop if this is a little loop area. Well, worth checking out, I guess. Maybe next time the parents are down or my brother's down or something, we'll go here. I might want to put another piece of duct tape over these vents because I feel like it did improve it, but it's like air's still getting in there. So since the destination was a no-go, I'm just kind of riding around. I'm not really going where the GPS tells me to go. I'm just going my own route. Oh god, speed bumps. The cool thing about the speed bumps out here is there's always a gap just big enough to fit my motorcycle through, so I don't really slow down. Oh, this one came up out of nowhere. Usually there's little signs like this. This one's got a sign. Now I'm starting to recognize this area. Oh yeah, this is right by my house. Cool. Sweet. Oh yeah, shout out to FXDLS Brooklyn. If you guys don't follow him, give him a follow. Really cool guy. I just left a stupid comment on his video saying, hell yeah, brother. And apparently I won a seat, and I didn't think it was legit, but after bugging the company that supposedly is going to give out the seat, they are. It seems legit. So I spoke to the guy. I basically ordered the exact same seat that I already have, but this time it's like that different material, tuck and roll, I believe it's called. Because from what I read, that material is supposed to be slightly more comfy instead of this diamond tuck. Probably can't even see through my gut. Alright, that's it for this Sunday ride. Thanks for joining me. Like, comment, subscribe.